Today on Wicked Good Eats, we're going to make a nice delicacy. So we're going to do some lamb shanks. And this is going to be traditionally roast them in the oven. It's going to take a long time. But we got a nice pressure cooker here. Show you how to do it. You can get it all pretty much done within 45 minutes. So we'll start with the ingredients. Of course, you need a couple of nice lamb shanks. I'm going to do 2 today, so if you want to do 4, just basically double up on everything. You need some beef bouillon, celery, some fire roasted diced tomatoes, some orzo, some sea salt, some black pepper, a couple of measuring cups, and some red wine and some olive oil. You're going to need a nice pan to braise up the lamb shanks. And we got Wolfie patiently waiting. Alright, so we've gone in, we've done about 3 celery stalks. There's 6 garlic cloves I crushed up, 1 cup of orzo, 2 cups of beef broth. I got my can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, half a cup of red wine. We're going to go in and braise them. So you want to put this on high. Get your olive oil, give it a good swirl in the pan, like such. Okay, just enough to coat the bottom. So the oil's nice and hot. Once you start seeing some steam come off there, take our lamb shanks, add them in. And we're going to do these for about 4 or 5 minutes. So while they're in there, you just season them up with some salt. And I'll do that again when I turn them. Some black pepper. Okay, and you're going to want a nice pair of tongs. We're going to flip those. Turn them every 30 seconds or so. Make sure you get them all around. Show you what that looks like. You can see what that looks like. Braising them up in the pan. Alright, so it's almost 5 minutes. So we're going to put this down on medium heat. And we're going to take our lamb shanks out. Be careful, that oil's hot. So we'll take our nice garlic, add that to the pan, put a little oil in there so it come out easy. Good to the last drop. Give that a good shake. And as soon as you smell the garlic, deglaze it with some more red wine. Take some of that heat out. Turn off the alcohol. So there it is in the pan, nice. Alright, put the contents of that into the measuring cup. First thing we're going to do, put in our lamb shanks, like such. We're going to get our celery, just put that over the top. Alright, and then we're going to get our nice garlic and wine. I'll throw that in. And our 2 cups of nice beef broth. Put that in. And our 1 can of the fire roasted tomatoes. Before you do anything, make sure that your relief valve is in the pressure position. Okay. And then you want to hit pressure cook. It's set on high and it's already set for 20 minutes. Alright, so it took about 14 minutes to come up to pressure. You can see the when it comes up to pressure, the clock comes on. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes and we're reading all zeros. So now it's just going to be on keep warm for now. We're going to do a quick release on the pressure valve. And that'll probably take a few minutes. Alright, took about 3 minutes for the pressure level to come down. Now it's safe to open. Ooh, yeah, you can see what that looks like in there. Nice. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to slowly pour that orzo in the pot. Gonna get a nice wooden spoon. I'm gonna make sure the orzo gets in there with all the juices. Okay, and we're gonna let that orzo absorb a lot of that juice, and we're gonna cover it up. And we'll let that sit for about a good 10-15 minutes. After about the first 5 minutes, just give it just a little stir. Make sure the orzo's not sticking together. Alright, so it's been about 10-11 minutes, maybe 12 minutes for the orzo. And basically what you do is just take a taste test on the orzo. If it's cooked, it's ready. Okay, we'll put that in the dish. You see, oh, that's nice and tender. It's going to fall right off the bone. And then we'll get a nice ladle. We can grab some of this nice orzo, tomato, and celery. Put that right on the side. Take a piece of this bread, dip it in the sauce. Oh my God, it's so good. There you have it, everybody. Lamb shanks with celery, orzo. Hey, let's see if the Wolfmeister likes lamb and celery with orzo. There you go, buddy. Oh yeah, Wolfie's digging it. He's eating it. You like that, Wolfie? Oh yeah, he's going all in. Wolfie's girlfriend Lola's here, so she's gonna get a treat too. There you go. How do you like that, Lola? Oh, Lola likes it. Boy, you got the same taste Wolfie does. It's a winner. Lamb shanks, celery, orzo. And enjoy. If you try it, let me know how you make out.